Hey, this is John from Hula Boat Care, and today we're going to talk about taking care of your hard surfaces, especially gel coat, glass, and all your bright work. Removing water spots tends to be a little bit challenging, but with our Gnarly water spot remover that's been recently reformulated, it's an easy job that's a pleasure to do. A light citrus smell in this product makes it fun to use no matter who's in and around while you're cleaning your boat. At the same time, it is a biodegradable product, so it is safe to be used in and around water. It will not strip wax, and as a matter of fact, it is safe to be used on top of all surfaces, including ceramic coated surfaces. So the best way to use the product would be to give it a good shake. Liberally spray along the surface. Let it set for a little while. And then with a clean, dry microfiber towel, wipe off the water spots.